can't see it.
Go in front.
Still can't see it.
Go in front. Give it gas. Go straight. Nope. Yep. This is 20.
This is no problem. Oh! Did I break it?
No.
Oh, yeah. My trim.
We can't do this the whole way.
Yeah, we can. I got it now. Turn that. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Go. You just drive. Yeah. This is no problem, dude.
This is 20, 25.
This is quarter throttle.
You know, opening up, going up Imperial.
Mm-hmm. Go. Oh. Go. Oh shit.
Oh God,
Go.
Cody.
Go.
I'm going. Gotta go. Give it gas. Give it gas.
Yeah. Oh, that was a dead squirrel.
Oh no. You let me know when it's too fast.
No, this is fine, dude.
This is just cruising
This
at
is
20.
perfect.
I just
Hell
can't.
yeah.
I can't stop that fast. So.
Oh, that's fine. Goodies RC time. Cruising at night with the Rustler, brushless.
Slowly increase speed. Keep it straight. Can you tap her out? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. It has way more in it, dude.
Alright, this is 35.
This is half throttle.
Yeah, that's comfortably 30. Comfortably 30.
Yeah, this is comfortably cruising.
Are you gonna be able to open her up? This is 40.
Alright, don't get in front of it, Chuck.
Oh god!
Don't get in front of it.
I'm not!
Woo! Yes! Okay. We're gonna make this home. Yeah! I drove an RC car all the way home from school.
That's cool.
This is crazy. Good job. Traxxas is tough, man. And if you guys want to see more stuff, shenanigans like this, check out Goodies RC Time.
All filmed in closed course in Mexico.